Hello and welcome to this video guide. I will show with you step by step how you can add a payments method on a card. This is the website. Go to card official website, click this first website here. You will see this page. In this page, click this profile icon and then you will see this page. From this payments, click manage your payments. After that, choose save a payment. You will redirect it to this page. From choose your country here. When you choose your countries, set up your address, click continue. When you click continue, click your billing information and then write your card details. Write your line 1 address, line 2 state. I want to write this information here. Click every term and conditions and then click save your payments here. Save your payments. This is for your card details. This is how you can do. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like and give share this